Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to discuss NCERT textbook question of chapter 3rd. Explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Some fibers are called synthetic because they are being prepared by artificial mean in factories. That's why they are considered as synthetic fiber. They are prepared with the help of chemicals in industries, and those fibers which are prepared with the help of chemicals artificially in industries are considered as synthetic fiber. Some examples including are nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Here comes second question. Mark the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fiber because how? Rayon is also synthetic fiber. But which property of rayon make it different from other synthetic fiber? It has silk-like appearance. It is obtained from wood pulp. Its fibers can also be woven like those of natural fiber. Here the answer is that as it is obtained from wood pulp, that's why it is considered as different from other synthetic fiber, because here wood pulp is natural substance and rayon is obtained from cellulose extracted from wood pulp. Here come third question. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Synthetic fibers are also called dash or dash fibers. Synthetic fibers are called man-made or artificial fibers. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called. From which type of raw material is synthetic fiber prepared? That is petrochemicals. Petrochemical, it is made up of chemical material. Here chemical is the raw material. With the help of that raw material, synthetic fiber is prepared. Like synthetic fiber, plastic is also a. Synthetic fiber की तरह plastic भी एक प्रकार का क्या है? Plastic is also a polymer. Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. Nylon fibers are very strong. This could be explained with the help of example that nylon is used for making rope, for climbing rocks, for preparing parachutes, for making swimming costume, and it is having very high tensile strength. These all applications of nylon fiber make it clear that it is very strong fiber. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Plastic containers are favored for storing food as it is lightweight, it have low price, more durable, do not react with air, water or content of food, and have good strength. That's why plastic containers are favored for storing food. What is the difference between thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic? Thermosetting plastics are the polymers in which chains get highly cross-linked. Here, linear chain is not formed. Cross-linked chain are formed. Whereas in thermoplastic, long chain polymer with no cross-linkage, linear chain is formed here. When we are talking about thermosetting plastic, they are very hard and cannot be molded while heating. Once, if any shape is being provided, again we cannot mold the shape and prepare a new substance. Examples including are bakelite, melamine. Thermoplastics can be processed further, repeatedly molded. We can give them shape by heating. Thermoplastic gets softened after heating, but thermosetting plastic never gets softened when we heat it. Examples of thermoplastic including here are polythene, PVC, nylon, polyester, etc. Your homework is to write and learn these question answers.